Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Honda Ridgeline with a key. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then insert your key completely into the ignition cylinder. Turn the key clockwise to the start position and hold it there briefly. The engine should crank and start. Once it starts, release the key and it will spring back to the on position. This simple process gets you on the road quickly. Understanding your key ignition is straightforward. Your Honda Ridgeline key is uniquely cut to match your vehicle's ignition cylinder. The cylinder has distinct positions: off, accessory, on, and start. When you insert the key, you'll feel it click into these positions. If the steering wheel is locked, gently jiggle it while turning the key to unlock it. This ensures a smooth start every time and prevents unnecessary wear on your ignition components. Sometimes your Ridgeline might not start immediately. If the engine doesn't crank, first check your battery. A dead battery is a common culprit. Ensure your key is fully inserted and isn't bent or damaged, which could prevent proper engagement. Listen for a click when you turn the key. A single click might indicate a starter issue. If problems persist, it's wise to consult a professional mechanic for a thorough diagnosis. Proper key and ignition maintenance can extend their lifespan. Keep your key clean and free from debris to ensure it slides smoothly into the ignition. Avoid hanging heavy keychains, as their weight can put stress on the ignition cylinder over time, potentially causing damage. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Taking these small steps helps maintain your vehicle's reliability and ensures a hassle-free starting experience for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.